Bienvenidos a la clase de hoy. ¿Y qué día es hoy? Good, you remembered from our last lesson, right? Today we will learn how to make reservations. Cómo hacer reservaciones. This is going to be useful anytime you travel to a Spanish-speaking country because there's no guarantee that the person at the reception desk is going to speak English. And in which places do we usually make reservations? At hotels, hoteles, remember the H is silent, and at restaurants, restaurantes. This will be easy since you already know how to say the days of the week, the months, and the time. Me gustaría hacer una reservación el blank a las blank. The first blank is where the day of the week will go, and then the second one would be for the time. So it would go like this. Me gustaría hacer una reservación el sábado a las 9 en punto. I would like to make a reservation for Saturday at 9 o'clock. Okay, let's imagine that you want to make a reservation for a hotel room for 2 people from March 20th to March 22nd. You would say, me gustaría reservar un cuarto para 2 personas del 20 de marzo al 22 de marzo. As you can see, we use del, which means from, and then al, which means to. Take a look at the calendar. With that information, make a reservation for 2 people at 2 p.m. Me gustaría hacer una reservación para 2 personas a las 2. Now with this information, call a hotel and make a reservation for 1 person from May 10th till May 13th. Me gustaría hacer una reservación para una persona del 10 de mayo al 13 de mayo. And just like that, you're ready to make plans. So should we schedule a time to meet for our next lesson? How about el lunes a las 10? It's really up to you. See you next time.